2, 1, start. Friends, it is a matter of great pleasure to me to be present here today and to inaugurate this debate on the potential of the Pitman shorthand instructor in building speed versus advanced phrasing stop. Let me, at the outset, thank the managing committee of the Shorthand Writers Association of Mysore for affording me this nice opportunity to meet you, young men and women engaged in the profession of shorthand writing, and also some of my old colleagues. Stop. Let me also mention in this connection that I am not a public figure and I have never had the opportunity of inaugurating any debates of this kind, but I should like to say that when your chairman asked for my consent to inaugurate this debate, I accepted it without any hesitation whatever, for I have close contact with the shorthand writers and particularly with this association. Stop. On this occasion, I would like to mention that the need and importance of an efficient stenographer is well realized and understood. The fact that the shorthand typists hold a position in the day-to-day functioning of any organization, be it connected with trade, commerce, education, social welfare activities, and for that matter, every walk of life is accepted. Stop. In view of necessity for having a skilled shorthand typist, the responsibility on the part of a professional organization like this association in training them has become more and more important. Stop. I am glad to learn that the association has been very actively involved in this direction, and a large number of shorthand typists have been coming out of this training center and occupying important position in both government and private organization. Stop. As regard today's subject for debate, I am glad to see in the audience quite a good number of young shorthand writers who I am sure will participate and exchange their views on his important subject. Stop. In view of my long connection with shorthand writing, I would like to place before you a few brief points on the subject. Stop. I am sure that there is no other system which is fully suitable to the learning condition in our country than the Pitman system. Stop. The present shorthand textbook, known as the Instructor, is with us after many modification and evolution over a period of 19 years. Stop. Phonography, as antiquated is the instructor, is a great development, and every chapter has its close connection with the next one, and you cannot simply skip any chapter. Stop. A careful observation and evaluation of the system will definitely convince the writer that the instructor has provided the writer with all tools and tackle to increase his speed gradually. Stop. The introduction of grammar locks or short forms, the phrases, the easy and the quick represents of various common sounds, the contraction, interaction, etc. Stop, have all proved to be a source of increasing speed in shorthand writing. Stop. In this connection, I would like to point out that when I was vigorously pursuing my building in shorthand writing, I was not having any shortcut which are available in these days, but at the same time I am happy to state that with the help of only the instructor, I could write a speed of 160 words a minute with accuracy which has enabled me to reach the position of a senior reporter in the assembly. Stop. I hope today's debate will throw light on the two important aspects of shorthand writing. Stop. I wish this debate will prove beneficial to those who are engaged in the profession. Stop. Change para. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter dated the 5th instant and the desired therein we have sent to you by goods train the items of motor spares parts required by you. Stop. We enclose herewith the railway receipt and the invoice for the same. Stop. Please intimate to us as soon as the goods are received by you in good condition. Stop. We have truly tested each and every item of the spare parts before packing, and therefore we are sure that the item will be up to the specification and hope they will be to your full satisfaction. Stop. We shall be glad if you arrange for payment of the bill amount at an early date. Stop. We would also remind you about the sum of rupees 500 that has been outstanding for the last 6 months and hope the clarification furnished by us in our last letter would have made the position clear. Stop. We request you to make payment of this amount also without any further delay. Stop. Change para. We are glad to inform you that we have recently expanded our factory and are manufacturing certain new items not included in our earlier catalog. Stop. We enclose herewith our latest catalog and price list. Stop. We shall be grateful if you can kindly favor us with your order from time to time and assure you that we will continue to be prompt in the delivery of goods required by you. Stop. Regarding new items of manufacture, our representative will call on you next week. Stop. Yours faithfully. Stop.